Transformer maintenance on ships is very important to ensure safe and reliable power supply on board, and poor maintenance can lead to overheating, insulation failure, or even fire hazards, so first always isolate the transformer by switching off the supply from the main switchboard, opening and locking the circuit breaker, and placing a proper "men at work" warning with lockout-tagout procedure. Then never assume power is off, always verify zero voltage using a multimeter or voltage tester on both input and output terminals before touching anything. After ensuring safety, carry out a visual inspection by checking for dust accumulation, loose connections, discoloration, burn marks, or any unusual smell, then start cleaning using a vacuum cleaner to remove dust from windings and ventilation areas, and use a dry lint-free cloth or soft brush for tight spaces. Avoid using water or wet cloth and do not blow dust deeper inside. Once cleaning is done, check all terminals and connections are tight because loose connections can cause overheating and sparking. Next, inspect insulation condition and if possible perform an insulation resistance test using a megger. Also ensure the cooling system is working properly by checking fans and airflow passages are clear. Finally, before energizing, make sure all tools are removed, covers are properly fixed and the area is clean. Then switch on the transformer and monitor voltage, current, noise, vibration, and temperature. Regular maintenance like this will improve efficiency, prevent breakdowns, and ensure safety on board.